Hello, this is Anna, and today we're going to make together a sunflower square. But first I'm going to show you some projects I've used the square in. So this is a water bottle bag with a long strap so you can carry it with you all the time. A little tote bag, again with a long strap, you can wear it crossbody. And another tote bag. For these squares, I've used the same pattern, just the same pattern as the sunflower one, but I didn't change the color, so it's just, yeah. Let's make a square together. For this square, I'm gonna use cotton double knit from Paintbox, pistachio green, soft fudge, buttercup yellow, and coffee bean. Also we'll need a 3.5 millimeters hook and scissors. We'll start with the magic circle. For the magic circle we'll use the coffee bean brown. To make a magic circle, we wrap the yarn around 2 fingers, forming the letter X, like this. Grab your hook and place it underneath the bottom yarn, and then over the top yarn, pull it, twist it a little bit, bring it up, grab with the hook, grab the top yarn and pull it through the loop. We have our magic circle. This is the first chain. We chain 2 more. Yarn over and grab the yarn through the loop. We have 3 chains. The first 3 chains, we consider them like one double crochet. In the magic circle, we need to work another 15 double crochet. Yarn over once. Put the hook through the circle, yarn over, pull the yarn through the circle. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through the other 2 loops. This is the second double crochet. Again, yarn over, put the hook through the circle, yarn over, pull the yarn through the circle. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. Again, yarn over, pull the yarn through the other 2 loops. We have 3 double crochet in the circle. Let's do 16. We have 16 double crochet in the circle, and we close the circle by pulling the end yarn. We join with the 3rd chain in the 3 chain we did first. So this is our first row done. We cut the yarn and we join the second color. This is a soft fudge brown. We join anywhere in the circle. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. Chain 1 and chain 2 more. This would be the first double crochet. We consider it a double crochet. For the second row, we do groups of 2 incomplete double crochet. Yarn over, I'll show you. yarn over, put the hook through the stitch, grab the yarn. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and we stop. We don't finish the double crochet. We have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1, and we'll do the same in the next stitch. Yarn over, put the hook through the stitch, yarn over, grab the yarn. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and we stop. We don't finish the double crochet. Yarn over, we'll start another double crochet. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. We have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3, chain 1, yarn over. In the next stitch we start a new double crochet. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, we stop, we don't finish the double crochet. Yarn over, we'll start another double crochet in the same stitch. Pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3, chain 1, and we do the same around the circle in each stitch. In the end we'll have 16 groups of 2 incomplete double crochet. We have 16 groups, and now we join in the 3rd chain of the first 3 chain we did in the row. And we finish off. This is the 2nd row done. For the 3rd row, we'll join the yellow buttercup yellow yarn, and we'll chain 3. For each space, chain space, we'll work 4 incomplete double crochet together. So we consider the chain 3 1 double crochet. Yarn over, put the hook in the chain space, yarn over, pull through the space. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. We don't finish the double crochet. Yarn over, put the hook through the chain space, pull the yarn over, pull through 2. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, put the hook through the chain space, yarn over, pull the yarn through the space, yarn over, pull through 2. We have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 2. We will chain 2 in between each puff stitch. The next puff stitch we'll make in the chain space here. Yarn over, put the hook through the space, yarn over, pull through the space, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We have 5 loops on the hook, the 4 incomplete double crochet and the chain. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops, and 2, chain 2. We will do the same around the circle. We have 16 puff stitches, and now we join with a slip stitch in the top chain, the 3rd chain of the beginning of the row. We have 1 more row to do. Now we will transform the flower in a square. For this we will use the pistachio green cotton, but first let's hide all the loose ends here. Let's make the square now. We join the pistachio green yarn anywhere in any 2 chain space. we start by chaining 4. In this space, we'll work 2 more trebles, so we yarn over twice, put the hook through that space, yarn over, pull through the space, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and again yarn over twice. In the next space, we work 3 double crochet, yarn over once, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 2 more double crochet in the same space. So we have trebles, we have double crochet. In the next space, we'll work 3 half double crochet. For a half double crochet, yarn over once, pull the yarn, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. This is a half double. Yarn over once, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. And the third half double crochet. In the next space, we'll do again 3 double crochet. And in the next space, we'll work a group of 3 trebles. Yarn over twice, we'll work the corner now, chain 2, and in the same space, we'll work another group of 3 trebles. In the next space, we'll work 3 double crochet. In the next space, 3 half double crochet. Three double crochet in the next space. And in the next space, we'll work again a corner. 3 trebles, chain 2, 3 trebles. In the next space, 3 double crochet. Three half double crochet in the next space. Three double crochet in the next space. In the next space we'll work the corner. Three trebles, chain 2, 3 trebles. Three double crochet in the next space. Three half double crochet in the next space. A group of 3 double crochet in the last chain 2 space. And now we finish the corner. Yarn over twice. Work 3 trebles. Chain 2 and join with the first group of trebles. We'll do a slip stitch there in the third chain, and our square is done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.